tribe, while your wiring harness has a full-on meltdown vibe. And there goes Ram boy, 3 months past due on child support payments, but hey, it's new. I roast your transmission, but honestly, it's already roasting itself for free. Yeah, the taco's got a light and it ain't check engine. It's a reminder of superiority I mentioned. And from the black rock sand to Signal Peak, the others are leaky, the others are weak. I'm the Camo king, I'm holding the line while you're Googling near a shop or waiting on a flatbed ride. Built for tough, yeah, tough to explain why you walked 11 miles in the pouring rain. Found on road dead or the driveway shore. Either way, the tow truck's knocking at your door. And Chevy rolls up like a toddler in a tux, all polished and pretty till it's stuck in the muck like a rock. Brother, that's the honest truth, 'cause your suspension hasn't flexed since your misspent youth. Oh, behold the Rivian, an 80 grand iPad. Watch out for that pine cone, don't make the software sad. Does it come with a 500-mile extension cord, or just a coupon for a prayer and a recovery board? And the stainless mistake, the dumpster of dreams, a low poly rendering that's busting its seams. Don't scratch it, don't breathe on it, don't raise your voice. The door seals are weeping, you made a real bad choice. Yeah. But here comes a specimen, Camo wrap guy. The trees don't see me coming, which I find a little odd. The trail just surrenders when I crest the ridge. 300,000 miles and I haven't crossed the bridge. I ain't overstating, I'm just accurate. While the rest of you rust buckets spiral and crack and quit. Yeah, these scouts will be eagles by the time you're back on the trail. But the Camo taco's running while you're waiting on parts in the mail. Wanna jump, a tow, a ride? No, didn't think so.